Hello, hello. This is the Resilient Banker just reviewing how to actually use a Fibonacci retracement tool while you're trading. Now, this tutorial is just going to show you how to actually use the tools. This is not a life strategy matter of fact, I will go over a strategy that a lot of traders use when it comes to the Fibonacci retracement, right? So the Fibonacci is a tool that calculates percentages, right? And those percentages are lined up like this, right? And as you can see, we have the 0.23, right? 0.23%, 0.38%, the 0.50%, 50% retracement, the 618%. 0.786 and so on and so forth to a whole point, right? The whole 1 point. So those are the levels of the retracement. So these are going to measure retracements, right? Pullbacks, right? And those normally happen when it's trending, right? And you want to measure what type of retracement is going to do so you're not getting in on the wrong trade, right? So I'm going to show you how I like to use it is, marking up on the previous day. So a method that I like to use with the Fibonacci retracement is first I like to find the previous high and the previous low, right? On the previous day, right? Higher high, lower low, right? We already broke below this low up and it's literally spiking up as we speak. Now, mind you, now Europe Turkish Lira um is actually a exotic pair, right? So this is the uh support, right? And this is the resistance. So how I like to do the retracement, I like to start from the bottom up, right? So the bottom up should calculate and bring the numbers out properly. So the higher high, the lower low, bottom up. No. So switch it. You want the if you're looking for it to bounce off a sell, right? You want to actually do it like this. You want to make sure that your um 0.23 is closest to price, right? That's the best way I could tell you if you have your Fibonacci retracement tool on the right levels and placed properly, right? You want the 0.23, you want price to be closer to the 0.23. And so on and so forth. 0.23, 0.38, 0.5, 0.50, 0.618, right? And the reason why I normally stop, talking and showing y'all on the 618 is because that is normally where they call that the golden zone, right? They call that the golden zone because majority of pairs are going to retrace back 50% or the 618. So what we like to do is we like to mark that goes on, right? Where is that goes on? Where could price technically come to, right? Now, mind you, now price doesn't always come up there, but majority of the time it's going to come up to this golden zone, tap this golden zone, and then sell or go the opposite way of where it's going, right? Because this is considered a pullback, meaning it's going against the trend, right? So as you can see, the trend is down. The trend is down, but on the daily candle, right, we have it about to reach the 0.23. Now, what I see on these dailies, the daily normally pulls back to the 0.23, the 0.38. So, first of all, let's put a alert on the golden zone, right? Use your alerts on TradingView. Make sure you get an account for TradingView below. I will drop a link below so you can actually start with TradingView, because TradingView is how you're going to actually make your money in trading, right? And make sure that you subscribe to this channel wherever you're watching this tutorial, right? So hit alert and go in and edit. Go in and edit and put golden zone on the Fibonacci, right? So it's called the Fibonacci Retracement and golden zone, looking for a strong sell, right? Looking for a strong sell. So hit that, and then the golden zone for the fib hits that. Then I also like to put a an alert on the 0.23, right? And I tell all my students, right? Just because the alert goes off doesn't mean to enter the trade. You want to make sure what it's doing around that zone, right? All right. So that one is set, but we're going to put some edits in here. This is the 23% retracement. Retracement zone, right? So we want to look for a sell at this zone, right? Hit save, right? Now, then we let the magic happen, right? Once this hits, we're going to see what it's going to do, whether we're going to enter in for a sell or is it going to continue to buy up to this golden zone. But just like I say, once you learn market structure, once you learn support and resistance, this is a actually great tool to use if you're actually want to calculate your get a perfect entry on a pullback, right? On a retracement. So this tool is great for this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this information to anybody that may benefit from this information, right? And you never know who's going to benefit from this information. So just make sure you click the subscribe button and click the share button. And just like I like to tell everybody at the end of these tutorials, I shall see you at the beaches and the banks. Peace.